Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect GoDaddy domain to Bolt.new. So, in order to do this, first of all, navigate to GoDaddy.com and sign in. Open My Products page and locate the domain that you want to connect. Then, click Manage DNS and it will open up the DNS settings panel. Now, in the New tab, log into your Bolt.new account, open your project, click on Settings icon, choose Server Functions and choose Domains and Hosting. Now, click Add Custom Domain and enter your GoDaddy domain, for example www.yoursite.com. Once added, Bolt.new will display the required A record and C name record. Keep this tab open and you will need to paste these into your GoDaddy DNS panel. Now, go back to GoDaddy DNS page. Under Records, click Add and choose A, Host, point to, then click Add again, choose CNAME and choose Host, point to and save your changes once done. After you do this, return to Bolt.new and click Verify or Check Connection button, and it can take anywhere from a few minutes to a few hours for DNS propagation to complete. Once verified, your GoDaddy domain will now be live on Bolt.new. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.